Okay, so we're asked to simplify this, right? So we get a much simpler result. Okay, often we ask to prove that this is equal to something else, which is a lot simpler. Now, in this case here, 1 minus cos squared theta in that square root. You've got to think about where you've seen that before. And of course, if you remember, we've got that result, haven't we, which we need to memorize. Sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. Okay, and then I hope you can see then, because sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1, of course then, 1 minus cos squared appears, doesn't it? If you take that cos squared over the other side, you get 1 minus cos squared. So 1 minus cos squared is sine squared theta. So we can replace in that square root 1 minus cos squared theta with sine squared theta, okay, over tan theta. Now, notice there that I've got sine squared theta and then I'm square rooting it. Okay, so you're squaring something and square rooting it. So it kind of like cancels the effect out of squaring, yeah, when you square root. Okay, so we end up back at sine theta. If you square something, square root, you back to where you started with. Okay, just like 2 squared is 4. When you square root it, you back to 2. So it's the same here. Sine squared here, square root it, you back to sine theta. All over then tan theta. Okay, now we could go a bit further here because there's the other result, of course, that we learn about tan theta. Now tan theta is simply sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so there's 2 important results in trigonometry, which we learned that result there, which we've used to get 1 minus cos squared, and in this case then tan theta, which we used to get sine theta over cos theta. So what I'll do then is, okay, replace the tan theta with the fraction sine theta over cos theta. Okay, that's what tan theta is. And remember then, when you've got a fraction on the bottom, you can take what's on the bottom up to the top. So this will be cos theta times sine theta, and you're left by then dividing by that sine theta. And notice, of course, then that the sine thetas will cancel, because sine theta divided by sine theta is just 1. So you get your simplified result to be cos theta.